Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video of learning Dart, we are going to understand what do you mean by instance variable and instance method in a class. So let us start. I'm creating a one more file here. I say instance variable method dot dart. Again main method. I'm creating a new class, simple one. So I say class sum, very simple to understand. In this class I have two variable, I say num1 and I say num2. Remember, I have two method also. So I say here void add, and in this I print sum of two number equal to this one num1 plus num2. Under the curly brackets I have to put like this, remember. So this generating some error that you can't put it null like this. So I can say where like this, no problem at all. So this is where and this is number. We are passing this sum of two number equal to this. Remember that these variable which I am creating here, these are instance variable. Okay, the variable which I declare here inside a class outside of any method is called instance variable. Remember that. Now, the method which I am calling here is called instance method. Why I call this instance variable an instance method? Because when I will create an object of this class, the object will access these variable and method. So these variables and method then will belong to that object. So that object is also called instance of a class. That's why the object have their own properties and behavior. So these are the property of object and this is the behavior of an object. That's why it's called instance variable and instance method. Remember that. So in main method, I can create the object of this. I say sum s1 equal to sum. Remember that. Now I need to initialize this value. So I can initialize like this s1 dot num1 equal to 10. Remember that s1 dot num2 equal to 30 like this and s1 dot add. So I can do like this. So these are instance variables. So I can access those variables by dot also like this. Remember, and I call this method to display the sum of this. So this is the class. This is the constructor. You can use new keyword also, no problem at all, but new is optional in Dart. You can initialize your values. You can call your method like this. So if I run this, I say Dart run and you see that the sum of two number is 40. So it's very simple program to understand what is the instance variable and instance method. So here these two are instance variables in Dart under the class and this is the instance method. Remember that because it belongs to a particular object s1. If I create another object, remember that if I create another one and I say s2 here I say s2, here I say s2, here I say s2 and I pass some other value like this. So if I run once again, remember that this s2 is a different instance, different object. That object will also have these properties and this behavior. So these property and this behavior belong to a particular object. Now it belongs to s2. Sometimes it belongs to s1. Individual objects have individual instance variable and methods. So if I run this, you see we have a two output here. So two objects sharing all these two variables and methods. Remember that. So this is called instance variable and instance method in Dart programming language or in any object-oriented programming language. If you understand, if you got some knowledge from this video, you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.